I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. I'm back again for another box opening time. And as you know, whenever it's box opening time, that means I got my best grandpa ever knife. Let's get it. Today, I have a GoPro 7, you guys. I finally got a legitimate GoPro. That's right, you guys. Basically, I bought this from Best Buy. It was an open box, but as you can see, well, you might not see it. But you see what it says? It says excellent condition. So basically, GoPro Hero 7 Black 4K waterproof, no missing accessories, no damage, in excellent condition. So we get ready to see. I'm getting ready to open this up. I just got it. We get ready to see if everything's here, everything is good, what's going on. As you guys, you probably didn't know, right now, the recording is on a cell phone, but I've been using this. I use this a lot right here. This is one of those little Chinese type cameras that's supposed to be like the knockoff of the GoPro Hero 7 4K. Now, this camera right here actually has a good picture on it right here, 4K. The only thing with this camera is that it doesn't have stabilization and the sound is real low on it. So every time I edit my videos, I have to turn the sound up. Glasses, yeah. But I have to turn the sound up. But actually the picture is real good. And it has Wi-Fi, but it's like only Wi-Fi to your phone. I got a lot more features, offer. This is good. This is a good like backup camera, something, you take somewhere where you might lose it or you're scared you might lose it. And you can have it's got all the accessories like the GoPro where you can take on the water, but nothing like the real GoPro. So let's open this thing up, because the difference is with the real Hero 7, this one, it not only has the wireless, but I can wirelessly stream. I can live stream with the Hero 7. And the Hero 7 has stabilization, and it's also waterproof up to a certain amount of meters. So let's see what it got. Let's open this baby up. Bam! Let's get it. Ooh, don't want to cut the box, yeah. This knife is shit up. Oh, man, I think I am cutting the box. I'm tripping. All right. Let me just open it. Get off of there. I might not even need. Okay, here we go. All right. I might not even need a knife. Let's get this baby over. Let's see what we got here. Look like this has been opened already. All right, let's see what we got here. So first, we have the instruction book here. Man, I got on glasses. This print is small. All right, so here's the instruction manual here. So let's put that down first. Get this in here. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. So there we go. Okay. I thought the glass came out. All right, let's get it out of here. Here's a little instruction manual here. Have questions, call. Shows you how to put in the battery. Shows you how to charge it right there on these two little papers. Right there. Here's they give you a little sticker. They give you a little GoPro sticker. Here's the actual GoPro right here. Bingo. Yes, sir. So let's do that. So let's see. Do we have all the accessories here? So let's open this up. There's the actual camera. All right. Here's the battery. So we got the battery right there. Okay, this is a 3M sticky right here. Here's the charging cable right here. So, and then here's the actual camera with the mount on it. Remove that for the mount. Alright, so let's double check. Let's double check to make sure we got everything supposed to be here. Okay, contents, camera, charger, battery, sticky thing, and what is this piece right here? Oh, the case. Okay, it's already, okay, so they got, okay, so this is it. So it's already on the case right here. So this is the water This is the case right here. So that's all. So it's already got that around it. So that's the camera, and then that's the outer case right there. So yeah, looks like it's everything there. And we're gonna see live stream 4K 33. You can take it down to 33 feet in the water. And yep, GPS on it, slow motion, hyper smooth, live streaming, voice. All right, you guys. I'm gonna get this baby all set up. Not on this video, but on my next videos, you will see me using the GoPro. I'll show you how it look, show you how to do. I'm gonna be outside and everything. At the time of recording this, it's nighttime now, but this was just the unboxing video. Next video, I'm gonna show you how this baby look, how this baby sound, and you can know, oh yeah, whether you want to get the Hero 7. This is a GoPro Hero 7. This is an older model. It is an 8 or 9 out now. But this is the one that I like. When when you go to Best Buy, you do the comparison and you put the other cameras up against this one. This is the one that had everything I needed, and especially with the being able to stream wirelessly with it. So I'm gonna go get this thing all set up. We gotta get it charged up. But this has been an unboxing of the Hero Black 7. Keep watching my videos, and you can see how this baby looks. See you on the next one.